One of the centers that you'll be working on this year is called Mountain Math, and this is what the center looks like. It's a bulletin board at the front of the classroom with problems on it. And this will be a center that lasts all year long. The problems will just change every week or so. To do this center, you need to grab from the bins right next to it over here a piece of grid paper and a Mountain Math worksheet. They look like this. Now the numbers on the worksheet go along with the numbers that are on the bulletin board. So number 1 is way up top where it says place value. And then you've got number 1 on your worksheet. But notice, look, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, all the way down. All of those go along with number 1 on the bulletin board. So you're going to refer back to this number for every problem. So first you're going to write the number. You're going to tell whether that number is odd and even. You're going to do some rounding and figuring out what numbers are more and less than the number on the bulletin board, all the way down to the expanded form. Then you go on to number 2. So since I changed numbers on the worksheet here, I've got to change numbers up on the bulletin board. And I see in word form 95,322,470. And down on my paper, I need to write that in number form. Now the only other thing you're going to need besides a pencil to do this center is maybe you're going to need some fraction bars, which are right next to it, because there are some fraction questions on Mountain Math every week, and we may not have gotten to talk much about fractions yet in class. So those fraction bars are there to help you figure out the problems on the bulletin board. And additionally, there's some other YouTube videos that will explain in more detail how to do some of those problems that we may not have talked about in class yet. Also, over by the bins in the corner here, there's some resource books that you can use. So if you come to a question and you're not exactly sure what's going on, before you come get Mrs. Cahall, you've got other places to look. This is Mountain Math. That'll be a center that we use all year long, and right in front of the bulletin board there's a table. So just bring your chair, bring your pencil, and get to work on this center.